We touched on headings and headers briefly before. At this point in our audit, we delve into it a little bit more and get a little bit more technical with their application. We like to say that 80% of first page search results in Google use a H1 header. You'll see in most people that rank quite well for their keywords, there's some sort of header arrangement going on with H1s, H2s, and sometimes H3s. And as we mentioned before, it's pretty much like a book with your main title of the book, your H1, the chapters, your H2s, and your subcategories, your subsections are your H3s. This is definitely relevant once you start creating pages that are maybe 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 words, and you want to break it up. And really from a user standpoint, it's great, but from an SEO standpoint, it definitely highlights the main topics and keywords that you have going on those pages. So you can see here some of the things that we're looking at. We look at duplicate H1 and title tags. Sometimes people reuse their H1s. You want to avoid that, kind of like you want to avoid using the same meta titles. In this case, for the sake of privacy with the person that we arranged this audit for, we can't see the examples, but it is important to not constantly reuse the same H tags or their headers from page to page. You do want them to be unique on the pages that you implement them.